Hey, what's up and welcome back to Graphic Heroes. Now, I'm doing another box break here. Finally got my hands on the all-new One Piece TCG. That's the trading card game cards. And I'm such a huge fan of this series and I love the cards. So I'm super excited to see what we get today. Let's break this box. Well, there we have it. The One Piece OP12 trading card game. This is the new, these are the new cards that just dropped. So let's see what we got. So we got Zoro on here, one of the Straw Hat crew. Now, the way I like to do it is get myself a pair of scissors and open all these up, and then we'll do them one at a time. All right, now if you're a fan of the channel, you know I like to save one of the packs, so I always cut the bottom off the last one so I can save that pack clean. Now, and that'll be the first one we open. Now, if you're collecting cards and you're doing a box break, get yourself some sleeves in case you find any cards that are nice. Want some plastic sleeves on hand. And in case you get real lucky, you're gonna want some top loaders. So I'm feeling lucky, punk. All right, so this is the pack we're gonna save. Let's see what we got. All right, so there's, for those of you who don't collect the One Piece cards, there are a few kinds to it. This is a stage card, and so we'll just make a little pile of the stage cards over here. These are the character cards, which the majority of the cards are going to be character cards, and the character cards come in different colors, and those are you play based off of I believe your leader card. Now looks like we're getting Zoro's backstory in this card. We got Chopper in the background of this card. So if you guys seen, Netflix just dropped their teaser and Chopper is introduced in it, which is fun. Another character card. And then you have event cards. So you have event cards, character cards, stage cards, and Dawn cards. So we'll just make a pile of the event cards over here. And then every pack is going to come with a shiny, and that's our shiny. So drop this guy over here in a little shiny pile. All right, one down. Nothing special yet. Character card, event card, character card, character card, character card. Okay, cool. Let's check this guy out. So this is a special shiny. See how the border is silver and reflective all the way across. Is he flipping us off? It looked like he's flipping us off. That's crazy. Anyways, that's a special card. So we'll put him over there. Not really valuable, but it is a special card. Okay, character card, cool. Character card. Character card. Zoro. Yo, this looks cool. All right, so I got a thing for keeping the Straw Hat crew set. Ooh, look at that Luffy. Sick. So this is Straw Hat. Luffy's leader of the Straw Hat crew. So I usually like to keep my Straw Hat crew separate. So I'm going to make a Straw Hat pile. And that's just another character card. And then we got this guy, which looks so good. Cool. So let's put this guy in our plastic sleeve here. And I also got a pretty good one-piece collection going where, you know, these ones got a special place. So tap him down to the bottom, and we'll put this guy in its own little special pile. Already off to the races with some cool cards. All right. Character card. She's on a walk getting some ice cream. Character card. Character card. So you'll notice that they have numbers here, and those are their power and how much it costs to spend, how much it costs to put them in play, and how much power slash HP they have. Event. Okay, this is a leader card, and the leader cards allow you to play other characters. This guy is purple and yellow, and here's a shiny event card. Looks like Sanji kicking something. So I'll put the shiny event cards over here, and the leader cards will go in their own special pile because, you know, they actually tend to have better value than your majority of the cards. So if you're trying to collect and sell, keep your leader cards. Character cards. These character cards have no real value. It looks like a young Buggy. It is. And that Shanks there. That's kind of a fun card. They're not Straw Hat Crew, but they're kind of like honorary members. I'm going to make a special pile over here for these guys. That's just for me. All right, cool. Event card. Character card. And we got another shiny event. Cool card. A lot going on in that card. Boom. All right. Event card. Character card. Character card. Character card. Oh, look at that. That's Laboon, man. Laboon's one of my favorite characters. You know, I'm putting this card, even though it's not a Laboon card, but he's in the background. That's such a little special. Laboon's got such a great storyline. I'm putting him with the Straw Hat Crew. Buggy. And, of course, Sanji. So, and he's a shiny. So, we'll put this guy in a little sleeve because we got a shiny Straw Hat Crew. I'll put him right here. So, nothing crazy cool yet. Nothing to write home about, really. Character card. Event. Hey, yo, Robin. So Robin is part of the Straw Hat Crew, so we'll put her in a sleeve here. Just because. Why am I putting her in a sleeve? I don't know, just because. So I'm putting her in a sleeve right there. And we got another character card. Character card. And we got our shiny. Cool. Put that over here with the shinies. Another stage card. Same one we had earlier. Character card. I'm not putting both of these together. And put him over here. Event card. Character card. I feel like I've seen this exact card in another pack before. And shiny. Okay, this guy loves pizza. So already we can see that we're getting some repeats here. What is this guy wearing? Character card, and it's our shiny. So every pack comes with a shiny. Oh, wait. I thought that came a little premature. So this is our Dawn card. So this is the Dawn. Dawns are points you can spend for putting things in play. So I've got a Dawn folder. So I'll put this Dawn in a sleeve just because, oh, this is also a fun little thing. So your cards, your Dawn cards tend to be white back. Your character cards are your blue. And your leader cards are red. Just fun. And they're all like that. Stage, same stage. Event. Yo, cool. He's got snakes for boots. Character card, character card, character card, shiny. So far, nothing super special. Usually you get, we got Robin again. She's part of the Straw Hat crew. Usually you get, I'd say 2 to 3 hits in these boxes. Now this guy's a cool character. Pretty sure he's the guy that kind of taught Sanji. And we got another special character card with the border all the way over. So we'll put him in a little sleeve. Why you put him in a sleeve? You didn't put the last one in a sleeve. I guess we'll put the last one in a sleeve too. You're right. These ones, the higher the number is, usually tend to be more valuable. They're not particularly valuable. So numbers go up to 12. Okay, character card. This is a kid's show? Character card. Character card. Character card. Yo, look at that. I love it. So we got a Zoro leader card. It's not special, but it is a Zoro leader card, and that is cool. And then here's our shiny. Cool. Shiny cards are great. All right, well, I love Zoro. Not even gonna lie. He's my favorite guy. So I'll put him in a thing. And like I said, it's a leader card, so it's red in the back. Boom. That's a cool card for me. For my collection. And the better hit cards tend to always be the last card in the pack. Or last 2 in some cases. But they don't really ever tend to be on the front. Shiny. Here's our shiny. Okay. Boom. Event card. Character card. You definitely spot the different artists. That's cool. Character card. So cool. Yo! That's a good one. So that would count as a hit. This is definitely a hit. It might even be the hit of the box. Pretty cool. All right, so that's our hit card. At least one of the hits. Get this in here. Well, we'll see. Okay. Boom. We'll put that one there. A few more packs to go. Let's see what else we got waiting for us. Another character card. Seen this guy half dozen times. Character card. Okay. This guy's a jerk. Character card. Cool. Character card. And a cool event card. Shiny event. Like that one. Okay. Character card. Character card. Character. Event. Character. And here's our shiny. We're getting through this box. Event. Character. It's kind of a cool card. Leader card. Oh, this guy is a strong character. And our shiny. Only got a few packs left here. See if we get another hit. Event. Character. Cool. Look at that. All right. Put that over there. What do you think the chances of getting one more good hit? Oh, this guy is strong. He's quite the nemesis. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Another cool leader card. Shiny. Yo! Put him with the Straw Hat crew. And our shiny. Character card. Another cool shiny. Three packs left. Let's see how this is going to work out. Here we go. Character. 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 Weird character. It's a weird character. They're all kind of weird characters when you think about it. Another cool shiny. All right, 2 packs. Here we go. Each knee. Seen her a couple times. Events. Seen him a few times. Character. This is an interesting character. Alright, here we go. Last pack. Here we go, last pack. You think the best card out of the whole box is in this pack? You're right, let's see. Nope, but it's cool. It's Shanks. I like Shanks. And it's cool art. And it's shiny. It's a cool card. It's a nice card to end on, actually. Look at that card. So, hits. These are like, not really hits, but they're mini hits. I'm pretty sure he's flipping us off. What do you guys think? Is he flipping us off or is he flipping us off? What are you doing, man? Unbelievable. And, I mean, this is just a very cool card. And this is the hit. So we got 1 hit in the box. 1 major hit. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, this box break. Until next time, stay graphic.